Hi, welcome to my art channel. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you're all well. Okay, just notice I don't have a spoon. No one. Right, we'll start with this one. This is TLP Glisten, which is interference turquoise teal. And this is another interference. This is interference turquoise by Jo Sonja. Just trying to amp up the effects from the interference by using two different salts, two different brands. So that's a pigment by Fluid Art Co, and that is a tube paint by Jo Sonja. This is Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold by Golden. And it does have just a blob of golden iridescent bright gold, just because I've got a tiny little bit in the container of the gold and I needed this one to go a little bit further, so I added them together. So it's a shimmery Qnag. So we call this colour Qnag because it's such a long name. And then this one is Matisse Southern Ocean Blue. Gorgeousness. And Boom Gel Stain Sterling Wax White. These are ready to go straight out of the bottle. Give them a good shake first. And they're perfect consistency for blooms and swipes. My cell activator is my custom mix. Precious Gold by Pebeo, Rich Gold by Atelier, and Iridescent Gold Fine by Golden. Mixed with Australian Floetrol, approximately 1.5 parts to 1 part of paint. I'm working on 12 by 16 today, and I'm going to try to go minimal. I've done a couple where I've been trying to do like that round, that's so pretty, and I just keep putting too much paint down. It's so hard to rein yourself in to just put a tiny little bit down, so I'm going to try really hard today. Let's get messy.
Was it all just a dream, just all in my head? Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter's snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go. They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I know that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move